It's 3 a.m. Your eyes open, no alarm, no noise, nobody called you, you just woke up. Again. And you're lying there in the dark, staring at the ceiling, wondering why your body keeps doing this to you. You're tired, but you can't sleep. And this has been happening for months, maybe years. Here's what nobody ever told you. This is not a sleep problem. This is a signal, and your body has been trying to send it to you every single night. Most people blame age. They say, this is just what happens when you get older. Others blame stress, or drinking water too late, or the news before bed. But waking up between 2 a.m. and 4 a.m., especially around the same time, is not random. It is not a coincidence. Your body runs on a precise internal clock, and every organ in your system has a specific window where it works the hardest. And when something goes wrong during that window, your body does the only thing it can do. It wakes you up. Here's the science that will change the way you see this forever. Between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m., your liver enters its peak detoxification and cellular repair cycle. This is the window where your liver filters your blood, processes hormones, and repairs damage from the day. But if your blood sugar drops too low, or your liver is overloaded, from alcohol, processed food, or chronic inflammation, it triggers a cortisol spike to compensate. And cortisol is a stimulant. It jolts you awake. Not because something is wrong with your sleep, because something is wrong that your liver is desperately trying to fix. Then, between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m., your lungs and adrenal glands take the shift. Waking up in this window is your body flagging low oxygen levels, adrenal fatigue, or a nervous system that never fully powers down. And after 60, your adrenal glands are already working harder than they should, managing inflammation, regulating blood pressure, and responding to stress that never fully goes away. So when they fire at 3 a.m., they fire loud. Now here are the 4 triggers silently stealing your sleep every single night. The first one is blood sugar crashes. When you eat refined carbohydrates or sugar within 3 hours of bedtime, your blood sugar spikes and then crashes while you sleep. And that crash triggers an emergency cortisol release that snaps you awake every time. The second trigger is magnesium deficiency. Magnesium is the mineral that tells your nervous system to power down, your muscles to relax, and your brain to enter deep sleep. Studies show that over 70% of adults over 60 are chronically deficient in magnesium, and without it, your body simply cannot stay asleep. The third trigger is a bedroom that's too warm. Your core body temperature must drop by 2 degrees to stay in deep sleep. A room that's even slightly too warm disrupts that process, causes micro-awakenings you don't even remember, and pulls you out of the deep sleep cycle right around 3 a.m. And the fourth trigger, the one almost nobody talks about, is your morning cortisol. If you reach for your phone the moment you wake up, your cortisol spikes immediately, setting off an inflammatory stress cycle that follows you all the way into the night and wakes you up again the next morning at 3 a.m. It's a loop, and most people are trapped inside it without knowing. But here is exactly how you break it. Stop eating 2 hours before bed. Not 3, not 4, just 2. Take 300 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate 30 minutes before sleep. Drop your bedroom temperature to between 65 and 68 degrees. And tomorrow morning, do not touch your phone for the first 20 minutes after you wake up. Let your cortisol rise naturally. Let your nervous system ease into the day. These are not complicated changes. They are precise answers to the exact signals your body has been sending you at 3 a.m. You were never a bad sleeper. Your body was never broken. It has been talking to you every single night, faithfully, consistently, waiting for someone to finally explain what it was trying to say. Now you know. Share this with someone who hasn't slept through the night in years. They've been waiting for this answer longer than you know.